Hello guys and welcome to today's trade recap. This is the trade from yesterday, and I couldn't record the video or the trade recap yesterday because the trade literally just closed at 11 p.m. and by that time it is my time to go to sleep because I have to wake up early. So we banged that shit as I told you. I executed this trade in front of everybody's. Well, I'm going to show you now. Hold on. I literally executed this trade. Literally, like look at this. Position, two positions. So now I just entered. I'm going to set up. Like genuinely, I just entered ahead of you, out of you, bro. So stop yapping, stop fucking flexing, nothing. So let's get started into today's video. And the craziest thing that this is a proof that the market will always seek out liquidity, and the liquidity is moving the market to its direction, bro. Like, look at this. After we manipulate these highs on the hourly time frame and the 4-hour time frame, and we took out the London session highs, we broke the structure to the downside, we marked structure shift to the downside, we changed the character, we retraced back, we took out these 5-minute highs, and then we retraced back into the fair value gap, inversed the fair value gap, broke the structure to the downside, boom. Continued taking out these low resistance draws on liquidity and potentially took out these London session highs, these London session lows, and then even these lows as well, and also these 4-hour lows. You can look at here. We took out these lows perfectly, bro. Perfectly. Like, this shit can be fucking hard. I know it is hard to know where the price is going to go, but if you really master the liquidity concepts, you can actually know why the market is moving and where it is moving and when it is moving. Like, look at this. After we took out the liquidity, took out manipulation, the lower low or downtrend, we are trading in a downtrend of the 4-hour on the daily time frame, and we just filled out this fair value gap perfectly. Also on the 4-hour we are bearish. We took out these 4-hour highs. We have a 4-hour order block. We go to the 1-hour. After we go to the 1-hour, you can see this fair value gap got invalidated. We did the break of structure on the hourly time frame after taking out this order block, and then we traced back into this hourly fair value gap, and then into the 15-minute. We broke the structure to the downside. We invalidate this 15-minute fair value gap, and then we did the mark structure shift, and then we have this 15-minute fair value gap got invalidated. And then if we scale down to the 5-minute to look for more continuation confluences, like you can see, we have created the 5-minute bearish fair value gap. We got that filled. After that, literally we broke the structure to the downside, and then I waited for 5-minute candle to close below that zone. After that, scale down to the 1-minute, look for break of structure on the 1-minute. See, this fair value gap got created. We retraced back into the breaker block and filled up the fair value gap. Then we broke structure again, and once we closed below and inversed this 1-minute huge bullish fair value gap, I genuinely entered right away. Sure, we got into some little bit of drawdown, I guess for 8 minutes into drawdown, or even for 10 minutes into drawdown, and then textbook, we kept consolidating for a bit because it is night session, and we really I was about to set my TP right here. I set my TP right here, but my TP did not work. I don't know, the limit order did not work, so I had to close it. Thankfully I did put a just alert. I put in an alert to know where my TP got hit, and also I heard the alert. I checked on my MetaTrader, and then I had to close it manually, so I got filled probably right here. That is a little bit of luck. I got a little bit more risk to reward ratio. I guess that's already 10 points. Alright, that's it. Quick trade, a very good trade, and fitted the bias perfectly, fitted the plan perfectly, and fitted my strategy perfectly. We also had this 1 hour SMT divergence that I didn't told you about with GBP GPY. As you can see right here, we have a higher high, lower high, higher high, and then here we have a higher high and then a lower high. That's it. The trade is literally like a textbook, and that's it for the trade recap on USD GPY. Also on GJ, like, tell me this shit. Tell me liquidity is not the thing that moves the market. Like, look at this. After we took out these hourly highs, we manipulate these highs, and then we broke the sharks to the downside. We retraced back into the we rebalanced it into some imbalances. Then we broke structure again. We retraced back, and then boom. What the market did do? Took out these liquidity, low resistance draws on liquidity, low resistance draws on liquidity. Now we still have this liquidity that is going to get taken out, and that is how liquidity works, guys. We also still have these liquidity to get swept, and all of that shit. Like, literally, this is like a fucking textbook, bro. Look at this. After we took out these highs, boom, we retraced back. We continued the move to the downside. Like, this is a downtrend, then a manipulation, then we have these highs, boom, got swept, breakout structure, continue the move, taking out these lows. Like, liquidity is the only concept that makes sense for me. I'm not telling you that needs to make sense for you. I'm not telling you that this is the only way to read the market. No. But for me, I found this way, the only way that makes sense on how market moves. I don't know. I don't know about you guys if you trade like supply and demand or support resistors or like trend lines, or I don't give a fuck, because I will never change my strategy. Also, you as well. If you trade supply and demand and you see this video, you might say, "Oh, I think I might change to trade liquidity concepts." No, bro. No, you gotta stick to your strategy until it makes sense to you. If it makes sense to you, if you know exactly why market moves in your strategy, with using your strategy, that's enough. That's more than enough. The rest you gotta like fix your psychology and your risk management. You already got the edge. Now you gotta work on the rest. That's literally it. If you master your edge, you master your strategy, you know exactly why you entered, you know the reason why you entered, you know the reason why market moves that way. That is literally, you mastered your strategy. Now you gotta work for the other things or the other things. Like I already told you, if this thing is your only like hope in life, for me, I actually like can't give a less of a fuck of anything else in life except for trading. Like, literally, bro, I genuinely don't give a single damn fuck about anything else in life. Genuinely, like anything else. I don't care about no girls. I don't care about no school. I don't care about no college. I don't care about no degree. I don't care about no fucking thing. I just literally like have an exam in the afternoon. I literally have an exam and I didn't study shit. Because I was studying the market. Like, literally, I was not like wasting my time, obviously, bro. I'm not telling you go waste your time watching fucking garbage. I'm telling you, you study something. You don't study like all of that crap that won't give you any fucking value in life. And I'm telling you, it won't give you any fucking value. What the fuck I'm going to do with A plus B gotta equals like, I don't give a fuck what that, bro. I don't even know what that shit is even meant for, bro. I can't even speak anymore. Like, this shit makes me money. I need to study it, bro. This shit gives me freedom. I need to study it. This shit gives me the money freedom, the financially freedom, the fucking brain reset, every single thing. Gives me the discipline needed, no emotions, wise decisions, every single thing. This whole thing is full of fucking value, bro. This whole thing is full of values. I don't know about people why they are so fucking arrogant. They are so arrogant. They are so arrogant. Like, They can't even like think properly, bro. What the fuck I'm going to do with A plus B, bro? A plus B is not going to fucking buy me an SVJ, bro. A plus B is not going to fucking buy me an SVJ. Like literally, bro. What the fuck I'm going to do with history, bro? While I can study the history of the market. I can study the history of the market. You are not teaching me shit, bro. What the fuck I'm going to do with all of that crap? Why do I have to like generally like school and college is the most useless fucking shit ever existed in life. Like I'm telling you, bro, there's plenty of fucking opportunities in this world. There's a plenty of fucking things, new things. You can make money from your fucking room. You can make money from your fucking laptop. You can make money from your fucking phone anywhere in the world, anytime in the world, like at any time of the day, anywhere in the world. Like genuinely, if I go on a vacation right now to wherever the fuck it is, to the moon, and as long as I have access to the internet, I can make your fucking monthly wage, bro. Like genuinely, bro. But now, uh, I'm studying as hard as I can the market. I'm studying all of my trades. I'm studying all of that shit. I'm working as hard as I can on this concept, like trading and all of that stuff. I'm working also on YouTube. I'm working on a lot of side hustles so I can generate more capital, because the only thing that limits you in your trading is your capital. As long as you have a bigger capital, there is no limit to the money that you can make. Like genuinely, imagine this. This exact trade. Like imagine if I had a $1 million in capital, bro. Just $1 million, and I just like risk 1%. Fucking 1%. $1 million of 1%. $10,000. I risk $10,000 per this trade. How much will I do? How much will I make? Like $10,000 times 1.9. $19,000. $19,000 from this just one trade, from risking only 1% of my capital. That is crazy. That's why you, after you work and you test your strategy and you master it like the fucking to the bottom, bro. You master it like you can drink water. And then by that time you're already like working on your capital, like you're generating a little bit of money to make a good capital in trading, especially if you have, also if you are like just so good at this thing, you can also like get access to a capital from just like a little bit of money by prop firms, bro. But you gotta like be careful on choosing the right prop firm. You only go for a really like trusted prop firms, because some of them may just be a little bit dodgy and they can steal your money. But as long as they are like legitimate and you are profitable, you can make shit ton of money. And that is the trade recap for today's, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for like thank you guys for clicking on this video. Thank you guys for supporting me over this journey. And if you wanna even like see more content like this, just drop out that like button and hit that subscribe button to let us reach big numbers and beautiful numbers like you guys. I really hope that everybody watching this video becomes profitable, including me, including myself. And I really like hope that everybody can be successful in trading. And I love you guys so much. You're the best on the world. And thank you guys once again. Peace out, boys.